How's it going, everyone? So this is my buddy's, what year is this? 2019 Indian
Springfield.
So I never rode this bike before, but I've been riding around for 5 minutes, just doing a couple figure eights. So on a bigger bike, right, there's a couple things. So first, don't rely on the rear brake at all at first. Just do the clutch and the throttle. If the bike feels like it's gonna fall over, it needs a little bit of power, so you ease out the clutch a little bit, stand it back up. You don't fully release it, nor do you fully keep it in. You're just kind of playing with the friction zone. But the main thing is you have to have a little bit of speed to make the bike lean. When the bike's straight up and down at a lower speed, you're just relying on the handlebars. Oh, I can't make the turn. That's a heavy bike. Once it gets over like here, like, oh, it's gonna fall over. You're going too slow to make the bike lean. So you have to have a little bit more speed. So I'm just gonna do some figure eights. These are 20 feet apart, no brakes. Check it out. Speed I carried, get the bike to lean over. Now for low speed stuff, I want the bike on the ground, lean the thing over. I always tell people when I meet up with them, like, let me see you do some figure eights, like we just did. I'm like, dude, floorboard on the ground. If you're not going quick enough to lean the bike over, lean that thing over. If you only try to rely on the handlebars, you're never gonna make tight turns. Lean angle is what does it. So low speed stuff, lean as much as you can. Faster speed turns, you want to lean as little as possible because lean is risk when you're going faster. That's why bike position on cruisers are so helpful, because the bike stands upright, bike to the inside. But for low speed stuff, man, throw this thing on the ground, right? I'll do a couple more. That's what I recommend doing for you're starting to do your low speed stuff. Clutch and throttle. Eventually add the rear brake. You can kind of keep a little bit of pressure on and off the pressure slowly. It'll help out, but don't let it become a crutch. So only clutch and throttle first. Figure eights for you going through. Now if you saw my body, go back and watch. I'm not purposely trying to go to the outside or the inside. I just don't move. I let the bike lean under me. Am I counterbalancing? Not really. Counterbalancing is I put all my weight on one side and let the bike lean. If I'm gonna demonstrate right now, I'm gonna put my feet up here on these damn bars. Obviously my weight won't be anywhere but straight up and down. I'm not worried so much about counterbalancing. I'm just worried about clutch and throttle. Check it out. That's it, clutch and throttle. Small movements. Let the bike lean. Lean that damn thing over. So I'm gonna add a little bit of rear brake, and then it's fun. With a little bit of rear brake, steady throttle, slipping the clutch, you can start to pause and balance. This is how you win slow races. Check it out. right, everyone, hope this helps. Hit subscribe, like, comment below, tell me what you think.